Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve decided to raise the federal funds rate to a range of 1.75% to 2% as expected. Shares in telecommunication services, real estate, and consumer durables and apparel sectors, they all fell lower, while on the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications falling by 1.5% in the week ending June 8th. Also, producer prices rising 3.1% year over year in May, while decliners ahead of advancers, 73% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Comcast offering $35 per share in cash, roughly $65 billion for 21st Century Fox's entertainment assets. The bid represents a 19% premium over the Walt Disney offer. Meanwhile, Merck & Company said that the U.S. FDA has approved the company's Keytruda, becoming the first anti-PD-1 therapy that treats adult and pediatric patients with refractory primary mediastinal large B lymphoma. Now turning overseas, Asian markets lower today. The Nikkei down just about 1%. The Hang Seng down 0.93%. China CSI 300 down 0.4%, while South Korea's Kospi down 1.84%. European markets slightly lower, and U.S. futures calling for a mixed start. In terms of expectations today, Adobe Systems second quarter EPS seen at $1.54 on sales of approximately $2.2 billion. While on the economic docket today, 8:30 in the morning, we have May retail sales advanced and also the import price index month over month and export prices. We also have initial and continuing jobless claims figures 10 o'clock in the morning, April business inventories. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 intraday is turning down, while the Nasdaq, that's turning down, but is also in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further decline. Short positions below 72.43 are favored, with targets at 71.8225 and 71.50 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones, that's turning down.